in a forest deep and wide, where the sun and shadows hide. A little fox with fur so red braved the woods with steady tread, through trees that whisper tales of old. It searched for light, for warmth, for gold. With friends it met along the way. The forest dark began to sway. With wisdom keen, guided paths where none had been. A rabbit bright with leaps so high brought laughter to the evening sky. A bear so strong, so calm, so true joined the fox and journeyed too. Together strong, a team so fine, they faced the shadows, crossed the line. Crystal glowed, the forest sang,